Today, I put together a short video to show how I launch my boat by myself using the Minn Kota Ulterra trolling motor. I've had this boat and trolling motor for several years and have successfully launched this way several times. You can either launch by yourself like I'm doing today, or I'll use this method if I have someone that's not comfortable backing the boat down the ramp, or if I have one of my younger kids with me. So the steps I use to do this is I first back my boat down until the trailer is in the water. I then go up and I unhook the front tow latch. My boat, I also have the Drotto latch that automatically hooks and unhooks the front eye hook on the boat when you load and unload. So in my case, I need to relieve the pressure so that the Drotto latch will open and stay open. After I've unhooked the front of the boat, I make sure that my remote is connected to the trolling motor so that there's no issues and that everything's turned on. And then I slowly back up until I get to the spot I want and then quickly tap my brakes to bump the boat off the trailer. Once the boat's off the trailer, I make sure that my trolling motor won't hit. And I hit the deploy button. As you can see, the Ulterra deploys nicely by itself. Once it's fully deployed, I get out of my truck and I drive the boat over to where I want it to wait for me. Once I have it in that spot, I simply hit the anchor button and it will stay there till I'm ready to get back in. The Ulterra that I have is the largest one they make. It's the 36 volt with 112 pounds of thrust and the 72-inch shaft. I have a fairly large boat, it's 23 feet long. If you've watched my fishing videos, you may have noticed that I use this trolling motor as my primary source of propulsion as I'm trolling all day long. I have this trolling motor paired with 3 Group 31 batteries, and using this setup, I can troll at about 1.2 to 1.5 miles an hour for a good 6 to 8 hours. This setup has worked great for me over the years. So after I've gone up and parked my truck, I simply walk back down to my boat. Using my remote, I drive the boat back over to me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Also, if you're into fishing, make sure to check out my other videos. Happy fishing and tight lines.